Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we are going to look at stickers through Stickii. Yay! Oh yeah, this is my third or fourth packet to get, and I have some very loud puppies today. They're getting old enough to really play a lot, and I know you've been seeing some of my videos. Those are past puppies, but I've got a new line of puppies and have me some new videos of those for sure. So I hope you've been liking my little shorts that I've been putting out. I know many of you have asked me to see more of the puppies, and that is a great way for me to share them with you. Now, today with Stickii, I want to say welcome to all my subscriber friends. If you are returning, I just really appreciate you, and I thank you each and every day that you have and the time that you take to come and see my videos and to see what I have to say and to learn more about each other as we converse in the comments. I really appreciate that. And if you're new, well, you can see we do have different types of unboxings. We've got stickers here. We also do travel, we do some wine, lifestyle, we do fashion, we do FabFitFun. We just do all kinds of things here and some battles and collaborations. If you like what you see, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll know my next videos when it comes out. Now today we're gonna show Stickii. Stickii is a monthly subscription of stickers, and you can choose your style from pop, vintage, and or cute. Now I mostly pick cute. I had vintage last month and I went back to cute, I think, for this month. If they got my message in time, they do send you an email to let you know, and this is $12 a month and $1 shipping. So $13 a month, and you can get these stickers. And while I'm speaking of that, I want to thank you, each of you that have subscribed to Stickii, because when you subscribe, I have a coupon link down in the bottom where you can save $5 off your first purchase, and when you do that, I save $5 too, and that helps me put things back into my channel, and I really appreciate that, and I appreciate you. They don't tell me who does it, I just know that someone did, so thank you very much. I appreciate you. And we're going to get into this Stickii envelope, and it says on the back, it says enjoy your cute pack. So apparently I picked the cute pack, and then it's got their little logo up there that I'm a member, and it's got cute packaging. It always comes in a sleeve, so that's pretty much it. We get this little sleeve, and with this sleeve we get our cute stickers, and then on this side it has a pouch where we can keep the things that they have up in here, and I'm going to show that to you. This here is a sticker book, and it is made of the cute things, and it's just empty pages where you can go on there and make your own designs and make you a little sticker book, and or make it and send it out as a gift or a little token to one of your friends. And this here is made out of some, like, it's not paper, it's like that, I don't know, plastic type stuff. I'm not sure, it's different. It's I don't know what it's made out of, other than it's heavy duty, I'll just say that. And then up here in the corner, we always get another sticker. We get this sleeve, and you can put this in a binder, and I'll talk more about that later. But up here we have one sticker, and this looks to be like a cute little mouse, I think. Is that what that is? Y'all let me know. Do I know what I'm talking about? Sometimes I don't, and y'all have to tell me when I'm wrong. And then we have these corner stickers that we can use to decorate with, and I don't know if that's supposed to be Yazuka. Well, I'm not sure, but they're cute, and that's the whole point. My whole little bag's going to be cute. On the back side, they've got a deeper pocket, as you can see, and then that's where we're going to have all of our stickers, and we can just pull them right out of there. There we go. They were kind of stuck down in there. Now this is some fun little stickers. Look at that. That looks like ice cream and all kinds of goodie, and see how glittery it is. Got us a nice little teapot. And then on this one, they're kind of like transparent, like on a clear on the back. And then you've got these cute little, I guess, bunnies, maybe some kitties. That looks like a little child there. So just really cute stickers. And then we have some stickers for presents. Looks like some lollipops and jawbreakers and things like that of candy sweets, which is very nice. And then we got these stickers, which are very cute too. I don't know if that's like a kitty cat and a dog and its friend, or a gerbil and a bird. I don't know, but they're very cute. And then we got a bunch of stars and clouds, maybe clouds and stars. We got some more. Yeah, they have it loaded down. We have some more cute little animals. Looks like a rabbits and kitty cats, fox maybe. They're just cute little animals, and I just love it. They're just so cute. I do like the cute ones. And then we have, I guess, is this that tape that y'all talk about all the time? And I don't even know the name of it. Uh-oh. Stickii? No, it's not sticky tape. I don't know. Some kind of tape here that we have. And you all can tell me what it is, because I don't know. I can't remember the name. I've heard it over and over. Washi tape. Washi tape. Is that what this is? Y'all let me know. And then inside here, we have more things for our stickers, I think. This looks to be, it's got a date on it. I think this is just another sheet where you can decorate with the stickers. It's got a date up there. And if you wanted to give one out to somebody, you might could fold it over and have the date on there, and then maybe have stickers and a message on the other side. So they give you some really creative crafting information. And if you're a crafter, this might be right up your alley, because they've got all kinds of things that you can use in your journal and in crafting pages. I know some of y'all make those little crafting journals, so that could be really good for that. What do you think? I think so. And it all fits right back in this, so you've got a nice little place to store everything. And which stickers were your favorites? Let's get them all out here. They had the washi tape too. Do we count that as a sticker? I'm not sure. That might be somebody's favorite, is the washi tape. So I'm going to include that in what's your favorite. What's your favorite this month? Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. How do you choose? Okay, let's flip it around here. I'm going to choose this one and this one, and I like them all, but I like these because they're kind of unique and different, and the paper that they're on that they're using for a sticker. And I like these because of all the little animals. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then if I had to pick a second favorite, I like this one with all the candy and presents on it. I mean, I could just go on and on, because yeah. And if I figure out what to do with washi tape, that's cute washi tape. Is that what it is? What does it say over there? Just says Stickii Club. Now, I will tell you, some of these are specially designed by special artists, and they'll have their name like that down in the corner. So they give their artists their credit that's due to them. And not all of them. That's a Stickii Club one. Does this one have an artist? This one has an artist. So they give you credit, and then you get an email, and they talk more about these artists that design these. So we have all these different ones. And then this one too had an artist. Whoops. There we go. That's Cheeky Cafe. Ooh, I just like the name of that. That sounds really fun. So guys, like I was telling you, you do get this sleeve. And you can purchase a binder through Stickii. Now, I got this last month. It run $16 and I think $4 shipping. And I got pink, as you can tell. And you can tell I've got some other little stickers in there. But I can just add this in. And so I just turn the pages and I add it as the latest one. I put it in behind. And then you have a great place to store your stickers. I decided to get this because every month they send you a sleeve, so I might as well have something to keep them in. And it's handy because I keep other stickers, like on the inside back here. I could keep more stickers facing and you could see it, but I also just put some in there like this one. And if I wanted to, instead of having the cardboard showing there, I could have it turned around this way. And then that way, because it's see-through, you can see on that side and you can see stickers on this side. So it's real handy. And on the front, you can see what's in front, and you can tell my first one, we had some Christmas stuff because that's a little Christmas card that I didn't get a chance to use. It was a little bit different, but you know, I could put stickers on there for next year and send that out, and it has that neat little see-through envelope. But anyway, that was another time. But anyways, you can store your stickers, and when you get ready to use stickers, you can just grab your binder and you're all set. And like I said, they have all kinds, and that was ours for this month, was our cute little stickers. So you let me know, what was your favorite? Would this be something you'd be interested in? Like I said, I think this is great for journals, for calendars, for cards when you're sending out cards. I think it's great for crafters. I think anybody, and even children, that want to put stickers together and make little cute things with stickers, this is a perfect little inexpensive subscription. And it is again called Stickii. Now we'll have that $5 off coupon down in the description that you can go to, and you can save $5 on your first order of Stickii. So hey guys, that's it. That's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways, for any collaborations that are going on. It'll all be down in my descriptions. And as for Stickii, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.